Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sama if you're new here, and today I'm bringing you this video about the GK, the best treatment for straightening your hair. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you'd like this video, give it a thumbs up and let's get started. So this is the package. This is how it looks like. The package comes with 5 products, 1 glove and 1 cap to protect your hair during the treatment. The first one is the pH shampoo that you will use at least twice. Then the number 2 is the treatment itself, the best. The number 3 is the shampoo that you will use after the treatment, and the number 4 is the deep conditioner that it comes as well on a little yellow bag to use just during as soon as you finish the treatment and go shower it. I just want to let you know, guys, that this video it will be talking just about the way you apply the treatment, how much time you keep it, and showing you all the steps one by one. And then I will do a separate video to show you the results after I shower many times and how it behaves after 1 week, 2 weeks after the beach and everything. But on this video we're showing you how I apply it, how I straighten it, and how it will look at the end. So let's go. Good morning everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's 9 a.m. and I'm getting ready. Sorry about the mess everywhere. And I'm getting ready to travel tonight, but I'm doing a separate video because I want to show you how I will be applying the GK treatment on my hair. This is how it looks right now. I just took a shower yesterday. I have done the color, and right now I will see what will be the results. I'm so stressed, but at the same time I hope it will work. So I've got the 100 milliliters. I hope it will be enough because I have a lot of hair. We start with the pH shampoo. I will go wash my hair, all of my hair, and then I will apply the products, and I will show you how I apply it and see how it looks. So let's get started. And I just washed my hair with their pH shampoo. Of course it feels kind of dry because I didn't apply anything else. And now let's start. I have my comb that I destroyed with the color I did yesterday, and we will apply this to best. Actually I have seen this treatment on Carly Bible, I think her name is, on YouTube, but then I realized it's not exactly the same because she had curly hair, so I don't know if it's the same or not. And on the package it says wash your hair with the shampoo, but then the video that they have linked on the QR code, when I watch it, they don't say wash it with shampoo. And then there is a comment, a girl, she asked, do I wash it with shampoo like on the package, or do I do like on the video? And then they said do like the video. So I don't know what we're supposed to do. Of course they gave us just 1 glove. What am I supposed to use 1 glove? I need 2, obviously. I have applied it like this on the container. Now I will section my hair. I have made it on 2 parts. So they say you separate on small sections. I will do like this approximately, and then work it out. I thought they had a brush because it shows they have a brush, but they don't. So yeah, I'm just doing like this and then brush it out, I guess. I will do it like that. We'll see. I have done another treatment before, cheap one on Amazon, by the way, but it didn't work on me. I don't know if it was the way I did it, because I was doing it with a friend, and we took time because I did apply to her hair, and she did apply it to my hair, and then we started drying it, so it took a lot of time. So I don't know if it was supposed to be like that. Maybe it was the way I did it, the problem. I don't know. But it did make my hair so dry, that treatment. So I hope this one, it doesn't do the same. I did on last April. So we'll see. I was worried that it will not be enough for my hair, but I think it will be more than enough by what I see right now. So if you have almost like my hair and very thick hair, don't worry, 100 milliliters, it will be more than enough. I have done half of my hair. This is how it looks like. I don't know if I did it well, I hope so. As I told you, it's really enough. You don't have to get more than 100 if you want just one time. I don't know if it stays well, but at least for one time it's so good. The only thing is I'm struggling right now because I don't know if I'm supposed to wash it with the shampoo as it said on the package and then apply the deep conditioner, this one, or don't do the shampoo as on the video on the QR code, or don't even wash it as she did Carly Bible on her, I mean the stylist she did to her hair. But I think I will not do like Carly Bible because it's not exactly the same range, so I will not do that. But I'm still thinking about if I should wash it or not. I will do this part right here and come back to you guys and see what we will do. I've just finished applying the product to all of my hair. Now I will put it on a bun, a bit more kind of bun, like this, and then they did give me a little thingy. I will remove the gloves. I'm happy I had these gloves because they are way better. I don't like the plastic kind of gloves because they move all the time, and yeah. And this is how they open. Am I the only one who did this kind of cup? Never takes all of my hair. Never. Annoys the hell out of me all of the time. I will leave it for 1 hour. It's supposed to be left 40 minutes if you have kind of normal hair, and 60 minutes for thick curly hair, which I will do. I will leave it for 60 minutes, which means 1 hour, maybe a little bit more. I will go do some stuff and be right back. And see. I have finished 1 hour. It's kind of hard. Now I will shower. I have seen other videos, I've watched other videos. I will just put you here so I can talk to you guys. I cannot talk like this. And open, yes, some light. I have watched other videos. I have seen the Italian way of doing it, and apparently they just apply it, then hair dry it with the hair dryer, and then style it with the straightening tools, and then they wash it, and then they do the same thing, which is huge. And I don't know if with this treatment I can do that, so I guess I will just wash it as they say to do it. Put the deep conditioner, this one, and then style it as they said, and that's it. I think I will do that and see how it will look. I just finished washing my hair. It actually feels so soft. I won't lie, like it literally feels so soft. I don't know for the rest, and it does lighten up a little bit the color of your hair. Now my hair looks brownish on the top, but it's still so soft. Now we will dry it. So I have this one right here, hair dryer. Let's get started. I will section my hair. I will do like I usually do. You always see my videos. I always section my hair into parts and then start styling it. It feels so soft, to be honest. So I will brush it first. I really hope it will work. And then I will start drying it and see. I will show you a little bit, and then the rest I will do just off camera and show you the results once I finish hair drying, and then the results after ironing it with the flat iron. I just have the steam, but I don't know if it will work. Let's get started. It feels so soft. I will finish and be right back. So this is my hair after using the hair dryer. This is how it looks like. I didn't straighten it perfectly because I'm too lazy. And this is how it looks like. But I love the fact that I don't have baby hairs everywhere like I usually do. And that's amazing. So yeah, this is first look. Now I will use my steam pod like this. And I will show you a little bit before. I have to cut my ends once again, but this is amazing. It has a little smell, and you're supposed to go many times so it will seal perfectly good. And this is how it looks like. Oh my god, oh, this is amazing. Look at that. I want to see the result after the beach, actually. That's what I'm looking for. I mean, I'm not expecting it to be straight, but I do want to see if it will be frizz-free and easier to manage. That's the point. But I will feel weird because I never do straight hair. I don't like it on me. But today we're doing straight hair. Let's see how it looks like. I'm going many times. Usually I don't do this many times because I don't like it flat. But since it's for the sake of the treatment, we're doing it. But I have some baby hairs here because you have to go with the iron straightening thing. I mean, with the steam pod, I have went through every one of them many times. I will be able to talk today. So it's completely normal, you know, that energy right there. But look how beautiful and shiny it looks. Like, I will turn around. I don't know if you will be able to see. Yeah, it looks so good. Of course, I have to cut my ends that I don't want to cut, but look at that. Like, it's so good. So good. I mean, I'm amazed. You see? Yep. The feeling is so nice. It smells like, I don't know if it's because of the steam or I don't know. It doesn't have a strong smell, but it does smell like the scent is like fried chicken. But not strong, like really soft when you're going through your hair many times, which is normal because you're kind of, you know, going through it with an iron. But I think it's really pretty, soft, feeling good. And the only thing you have to keep in mind, you will not be able to see here, or maybe yes, I did a color to my hair yesterday, and I don't know if you'll be able to see. I will try to show you. You see? And it was black, and now with this it turned out a little bit brown. But the things that I have brown here, my hair is black here, and then the ends, they are brown. The only thing. But if not, it is all right. I think I will have to do another color, but I will wait 2 weeks. It's all right. But if not, yeah. So that's it for now. I will leave it like this. I will not shower because I just did 3 times. And the most important thing for me is the results once I shower, because I will not take I will take a big risk. I'm not taking anything to my trip. Well, I'm not taking a straightener, I'm not taking the hair dryer. They're supposed to have one there, so I will just try with the hair dryer and see. So I will be updating you guys throughout this video, just to show you the first time I shower how it will look like, the second time I shower at the beach how it will look like, so you will have an idea if it's worth at least this range, the best range, it's the name. If not, maybe I will go just to the next one, which is the curly. Maybe I will need the curly. As I told you, I have seen the Italian method. I didn't want to do it because you have to straighten, and I mean you have to hair dry with the product, straighten it, then shower, then hair dry again and straighten it. And no, it's not supposed to be like that on the package. If they wanted it to be like that, they will do it. So I didn't want to do that. The other ranges, the curly and the resistant one, I have been looking around. They are like this. I mean, they apply the product on all over your hair, then they hair dry it, they straighten it, and you leave it like that for 2 days, I guess, and then you wash it, and it looks so good. I mean, it looked so good on Kylie Bible, so I think it looks good. I don't know how it would look on me, but I'm happy right now. It feels soft, it feels nice. My ends, they were supposed to be dead, and right now they feel so soft, I will not lie. Which means that if I do keep straightening my hair, they will look soft, and that's a good thing. I mean, they will feel soft. Yes, so I will keep you updated and see you the next time to see how it looks like.